This is Gurshan from class 10 section 8 12 roll number. Today I'm going to show you my chemistry project. First of all, I'm going to show you my chart on the topic type of chemical reactions as mentioned in the holiday homework. So these are the different type of chemical reaction and their further classification. The first one is combination reaction. The second one is decomposition reaction, which is further of three types: thermal decomposition, electrolysis, and photochemical decomposition. The third type of chemical reaction is displacement reaction, which is also have further classification, which is of two types: single displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. Then the fourth one here is neutralization reaction. Fifth one is redox reaction, which is also of two types: oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. Then the last type of chemical reaction, sixth type, is exothermic and endothermic reaction, which I have mentioned here, which is on the basis of heat, that whether it is released in the chemical reaction or used in the chemical reaction. Now here I am going to show you my flashcards as well on the topic corrosion and rust. Well, I have taken the sheets of two different colors. One is yellow and one is this blue one. On the yellow I have mentioned the name of the topic, and on the blue one I have mentioned about the topic. On the yellow sheets I also made the different kind of patterns on it, as you can see over here. And on the blue sheets there are no such patterns, as you can see over here. I have used these beautiful border full tape over here. Now I'm going to show you this. First of all, the topic is corrosion, then I have written about it. The reaction that happens on the surface of a metal when the metal reacts with oxygen and water, either liquid or vapor, from the air or water around it. Corrosion reactions usually happen slowly. Corrosion can be defined as the deterioration of materials by chemical processes. In a sense, corrosion can be defined as the spontaneous return of metal to their home. Similarly, on the next I have mentioned about the rusting, means the process of rusting. So this is here iron corrosion, iron plus oxygen plus water. Then hydrate, it forms hydrated iron oxide, which is your rust. And then I have mentioned about the rust as well. As you can see over here, red brown layer which forms on the surface of iron or steel, only iron and steel, that is rust. It is soft and flakes off easily. Now iron and steel, the rusting takes place on iron and steel. Now what is steel over here? Steel is a hard alloy of iron which is mixed with carbon and other elements. Then I have mentioned that why rusting is a problem. The rusting is a problem because rust crumbles easily, exposing the underlying iron steel and leaving it to rust again. The cycle repeats, discarding the iron until the structure is destroyed. Rusting destroys about 20% of the world's iron and steel every year. So these are my flashcards on the topic of rusting, and this is my chart on the types of chemical reactions. These are my chemistry project.